Hey, this is Ralph, and in this video I want to quickly demonstrate use of the repeat function to make kind of like a mini bar chart. So basically I've got some data set up. I've got 8 different companies, and I've put in some random sales figures. What I'm going to do in the cell right next to the sales figures is I'm going to type in equals REPT for the repeat function. Repeats a text a given number of times. Opening parentheses. Now what I'm going to repeat first here, I'm going to do a quotation mark, pipe symbol, which is a shift backslash, quotation mark, comma, the number of times I want to repeat something. Now if I just click on the cell that contains 400,911, that's going to be too big. So what I'm going to do here is I'll put in a parentheses, I'll click on the cell that contains the numeric value I want, and since this one is so big, I'm going to divide it by 100,000. Closing parentheses for that division formula, and then closing parentheses for the repeat function, and that'll repeat this pipe symbol 4 times, 400,000 divided by 4. And I can just autofill this down, and I get kind of like a little mini column chart, or I'm sorry, more like a bar chart right there next to the cell containing the numeric value. So it draws the eye pretty easily to where the biggest one is or the smallest one. And of course you can use any kind of symbol you want. So that's the pipe symbol. I could easily change this to a lowercase x. There we go. So that one stands out pretty well. Or a capital O. Excellent. And of course if you use some nice little formatting here, bold, red, or even change it out to a different font, you can really make it look pretty interesting. So that's a little bit of the repeat function in order to display kind of a chart right inside of a cell